To it. I absolutely love this fragrance. Hi dolls, it's your girl Teshiamonique back again, and today dolls I have a really quick perfume or fragrance review for you dolls again. I just realized that there are a bunch of perfumes that I've added to my collection since my last perfume or fragrance videos where I show you guys what's in my collection that I hadn't shared with you. So I'm on and just share with you some of my newer fragrances that I have absolutely been obsessed with. You may not have heard of it at this point, but this is Commodity Milk, and I am obsessed with this fragrance. It's so fresh. It's just really light. It's a really nice, simple fragrance, but at the same time, it's elevated. I think that for me, this is one that is perfect for everyday use that you could definitely throw on for work. You can absolutely wear it if you're going out for shopping, but this also can take you into the evenings for date night, for movies, drinks with the girls, brunch, etc., etc. So it's great for the daytime and the nighttime, which I love. So it's very versatile, and the price point is not terrible. I actually picked this one up from Sephora during their VIB sale, which they have one coming up in August. So I wanted to share this with you dolls in case you were looking to pick up a fragrance during there. This is how the box and stuff looks, the packaging, and the bottle I think is a really sleek, very pretty bottle too that looks great in any collection. And I say that because you dolls can see some of my perfume collection back here. So I definitely like a perfume in a bottle that is nice to look at, that looks great in a collection and on a shelf, or if you're taking it with you like in your handbag to freshen up later, or like for a staycation or overnight or for vacation vibes. I think that this is definitely one that you will absolutely love. My understanding is that this is a unisex fragrance, so it's for my guys and my gals, but I definitely love this fragrance. Now, don't let the name fool you, Commodity Milk. It could say like, is it a milky type of fragrance? What are the notes? So I'll definitely put the notes up here, but just from use, I think that it's a nice, rich fragrance. It's got, of course, some milk essence in it. So that to me means and smells on the nose like a smoothness. It has a really smooth fragrance to it. I absolutely love this fragrance, and it's very soft, but it also has a little bit of, it's not woodsy or anything like that. It has a rich deepness to it that I think can definitely accent a masculine vibe if that's what you're going for, but the softness in it and how it melts together and smooths out, I think makes it just a really rich fragrance that anybody would enjoy for sure. It's very classy, elegant, and also just unique. I think it's a unique fragrance, which I love about it, because if you're wearing this, it's not going to be highly recognized, not gonna know it right off like, oh, she's wearing this or that. This is something that's a standalone fragrance. It's rich, and it is something that I think everybody would need in their collection if you're looking for a new fragrance to give this a try. This one is the Commodity Milk, but they also have a Commodity Milk Gold. Each commodity scent is a different fragrance. It can be personal, expressive, or bold. If it has the plus sign on it, that means it's a bold one. So this is not the bold one. This is one of the, I guess, the just the regular ones, but what your preferences or what you like as far as your nose and perfumes goes, then you definitely will have some from their line to pick from. So I think that just, you know, you can easily go into Sephora and get your nose on it, see which one you like or what suits you best, and then you can go from there. But this is the one that I have been wearing it. I put a little dent in it, but I've had her a while, so a little bit goes a long way when you spray this. It's not something that you need a lot of. It sits well. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel like stifling or any of that kind of stuff. It's not pungent. It's just a really nice, subtle fragrance. The scent space on it just says expressive for me and the many around me, which I think is super nice. There, if you dolls can see that, it may be backwards, but yeah, it's a simple fragrance, but at the same time, it's a really nice fragrance. So if you have the opportunity or you're looking for something to add to your collection, then I definitely recommend Commodity Milk. This one traveled with me to New York in February, so I've had it at least since before then, but they do have some that are a little bit deeper or have a little bit more of a scent profile in it. If you're looking for something that is a little bit heavier, this one is really nice. It's supposed to be ethical. It's elemental and atypical is what the brand boasts. But the good thing about these is that is that you can control the projection on them. So if you want them to be a little bit stronger, a little bit heavier, deeper, then you spray a little bit more, but a little bit goes a lot. And you guys know I'm a big sprayer, so a few sprays of this, as you can see, the bottle is not a through, which would be typical Teshiamonique fashion. So you have to know that this one, a little bit goes a long way. So I think that this is a really good bottle. It would be great for you. It'd be great for a gift. I think you should check it out. This one is a 3.4 fluid ounces or the 100 milliliter bottle. So I think this is a really good size. It's gonna last you. It's gonna be great to complement your collection and to complement you for sure. Okay, dolls, thank you again for tuning in to my video. I hope that you found this video interesting and that you picked up a new idea as far as a scent or fragrance to add to your collection. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for, girl? Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free, but it means that you're connected with me, and anytime I have an upload, then you'll have a higher chance of seeing my videos as they're coming in. But you need to press the bell notifications. That way, once I upload, YouTube will send you a notice that I have a new video out there waiting for you to see. And then that way you don't have to, you know, come back to the channel or risk not seeing an upload from me, because as you can see, the content is cranking and I'm so excited to be filming for you dolls here. So please be sure to drop a comment below as well, because I really do enjoy reading you guys' comments, your feedback, and I always respond, as you dolls may know. And I just really enjoy interacting with you guys. So until next time, dolls, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. All good, Chelsea, look around, found